Tired of serving cold food at your gatherings? Here are the 5 best electric chafing dishes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, the Elite Gourmet EWM 6171. At about $45.99, its sleek stainless steel design immediately caught my eye, especially for those who want a stylish buffet setup without breaking the bank. If you want an affordable option that keeps your dishes warm, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Elite Gourmet comes with 3 2.5 quart buffet trays, perfect for serving different dishes simultaneously. Each tray has its own lid and utensil slot, which means you can keep food warm and fresh for hours. With a warming base that allows for standalone use, you can even use your own dishes or hors d'oeuvres directly on it. The adjustable temperature controls give you 3 settings, low, medium, and high, so you can find the perfect warmth for your dishes. Plus, it's easy to transport thanks to its carry handles, which is ideal for parties and holidays. Now, some people complained about its heating not being strong enough for larger gatherings. Here's the thing though, it works perfectly for smaller events or intimate get-togethers, so if you're not expecting a huge crowd, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're hosting a small gathering or party. Skip this one if you're planning a large event where you need to keep a lot of food hot for an extended period. At this price, it's a solid, budget-friendly option that gets the job done. Now, if the lack of capacity in the Elite Gourmet bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its versatility. Product number 2, TJVIZKS Electric Chafing Dish Set A02. The TJVIZKS Electric Chafing Dish Buffet Server Set, priced at $179.99. From the moment I saw it, the high-quality stainless steel construction stood out, giving it an elegant look that's perfect for any event. If you're looking for a more professional setup, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This chafing dish features adjustable temperature control with a digital display, which allows you to keep food at the ideal serving temperature without worrying about overcooking. It includes full, half, and 3-section food pans, so you can serve a variety of dishes at once. The energy-efficient heating means no more messy fuel gels. Just plug it in and enjoy consistent warmth. This set comes with everything you need, including sturdy pans and a clear lid for visibility. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to clean due to the multiple components, but honestly, I found that if you clean it right after use, it's not a deal breaker. It's meant for larger events, so a little extra effort is worth it for the quality. This is perfect for you if you regularly cater events or host large gatherings. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual family dinner setup. Considering its features, the price is quite reasonable for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility and convenience. Product number 3, Tijvik Electric Chafing Dish Set A01. The Tijvik Electric Chafing Dish Buffet Server Set A01 is next, coming in at $199.99. Similar to the previous dish, it boasts high-quality stainless steel and a sleek design. If you want a top-tier chafing dish that guarantees food stays warm, this is worth your attention. Why is this important for you? Just like the A02, it features adjustable temperature control with an easy-to-read digital display, ensuring you can keep your food at the perfect temperature. The pans are designed for flexibility, offering full, half, and 3-section options for serving multiple dishes. Plus, the energy-efficient heating system makes it a breeze to maintain warmth without the hassle of messy fuel gels. Some users have reported that it can take a while to heat up completely. I'll be real with you, if you're in a rush, this might not be ideal. However, once it's heated, it holds temperature exceptionally well, making it perfect for longer events. This is perfect for you if you're hosting larger parties or catering events where presentation matters. Skip this one if you're just setting up for a casual meal where you don't need such extensive features. Despite the higher price, the quality and performance justify the investment. Now, if you want something that combines efficiency with value, the next product could be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Garvey Home 2-pack electric chafing dishes, priced at $152.99. What caught my eye here is the value of getting 2 chafing dishes in one package. If you want to serve multiple dishes without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic option. Here's why this matters. Each dish has a generous 4.5 quart size, perfect for holding plenty of food for your guests. With a temperature control that ranges from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, you can adjust it to suit whatever you're serving. The stainless steel material ensures durability, while the roll-top lid makes it easy to access food without fuss. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since the food pans are dishwasher safe, a huge plus for anyone who hates doing dishes. However, I did notice that some users mentioned the lids can be a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle them carefully, they get the job done without any issues. This is perfect for you if you're having a party and want to keep different dishes warm at the same time. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for large-scale events. At this price, it's an incredible value for what you get. Now, if you're looking for a single, larger unit, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Garvey Home 9QT Electric Chafing Dish, which is priced at $87.81. The first thing that struck me was its large capacity, able to serve at least 8 people comfortably. If you're hosting a bigger event and want to keep food warm for a crowd, this is a great choice. This dish features a 400-watt heating element, which makes it powerful enough for keeping large portions warm. The temperature control allows you to adjust between 86 degrees Fahrenheit and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility based on the food you're serving. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's designed to look good and be easy to clean. Plus, it's a complete package with everything you need to get started right away. Some users have pointed out that it may take longer to heat up fully when filled to capacity. However, once it's hot, it does an excellent job at maintaining temperature, so if you plan ahead, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're planning a big family gathering or event where you need to serve a lot of food at once. Skip this if you only need a smaller dish for casual dinners. With the price point and features, it's a solid investment for any host. Now, let's wrap this up and compare these fantastic options. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Tijvik Electric Chafing Dish Set A02 because it perfectly balances quality and functionality for serious hosts. The product to avoid is the Garvey Home 2-pack, mainly if you're looking for something more heavy-duty and long-lasting.